Alright everybody, so today I'm going to be cleaning out the headset on the Track Fuel Ex5. I've been having creaking and rattling noise in the front, so I'm going to go ahead and do a service on it today. But my problem is, I don't know if you guys, I'm trying to get it as close as I can get. The bolt of the top it's stripped. Anyway, so I got this tool that's just a square tip. Just gonna tap it in here, and then I'm gonna get myself a vice grip, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if we can get this to turn. Shouldn't be on there that tight, but let's see. Come on, please. Oh, look, yeah, did it. Yes, success. And I will be replacing the top. Okay, we're gonna loosen the stem. We're gonna take the tires off and the brake calipers off. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, clean the bearings, clean it really good, and then I'm gonna go ahead and re-grease it. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put grease here and grease in the bottom part. I don't know if you guys. And then what we're gonna do is just put it back the way we took it off. Like I said, I like to you know, go from top to bottom, and then when I'm reinstalling everything, I go from bottom to top. Alright, so we're probably gonna go ahead and clean the fork also. I'm gonna spray, wipe it down, spray with a little brake cleaner, grease all the bearings up. Let's make sure it's tight. Everything is good. So all we got left is to test it out. And yep. So hope you guys liked the video. I hope this helps somebody out. And yeah, leave a comment below and let me know. Alright, thank you for watching.